In this tutorial, we will create and save a basic course product in ModernCommerce. Advanced pricing will be covered separately. On the Products page, select New Product to open the product form. Product name identifies the item for administrators and customers, and it is required. Enter Creating your first product in ModernCommerce to match the Moodle course prepared for this lesson. Product type controls what the customer receives. Course connects one Moodle course. Bundle is a grouped course offering. Program is a structured multi-course offering. Subscription is for recurring access. Digital product is for non-course digital content. Select course because this product delivers one Moodle course. Status controls the product lifecycle. Active is operational when the other availability rules pass. Draft is work in progress. Inactive keeps the record but removes normal availability. Archived retires it from normal use. Select Draft so the product can be reviewed before activation. Category assigns a site-defined catalog group. All categories leaves the product without a primary category. ModernCommerce Demo is the general tutorial group. Demo bundles and imported demo bundles contain the current bundle examples. Demo courses and imported demo courses contain the current course examples. Select ModernCommerce Demo for this tutorial product. Select Moodle course is a type-ahead search. Enter at least 2 characters to search course names and short names. A normal result is selectable. A hidden badge warns that the Moodle course is hidden. Course already has product disables a course that is linked elsewhere. Type Creating your first, wait for the enabled result, and select it. Display order is a non-negative catalog ordering value. Enter 10, leaving room to position products before or after this one. Short description supplies the concise summary used on catalog cards and product previews. Selecting the course has filled its summary. Keep. Learn how to configure and save a basic course product in ModernCommerce. Visible Off hides the product from customer-facing availability. Visible On allows it to appear when its status, price and inventory rules also pass. Leave Visible On. Featured Off gives the product normal placement. Featured On marks it for featured treatment wherever the storefront supports that flag. Leave Featured Off because this is a normal tutorial product. In pricing, Purchasable Off disables the product's regular price. Purchasable On enables pricing and checkout use. Leave it on for this paid course product. Base price is the current unit price. A value of 0 would display free product. Enter $49 as the normal price for this example. Put on Sale Off shows only the base price. Turning it on reveals Compare at Price for simple compare at pricing. This belongs to the basic product form. Conditional advanced pricing is reserved for the next tutorial. Turn Put on Sale on. Compare at Price is the higher original amount displayed beside the current price. It must be greater than base price. Otherwise, ModernCommerce removes the comparison. Enter $79. Price Preview confirms the customer-facing calculation. Here, $79 is the original price, $49 is the current price, and the displayed reduction is 38%. In inventory, Stock Managed Off means unlimited inventory. On makes ModernCommerce calculate availability from stock, reserved stock, and units sold. Turn Stock Managed On for a fixed capacity course. Stock is the total managed quantity. Enter 100 to represent 100 enrollment places. Reserved stock withholds units from customer availability and cannot exceed total stock. Enter 5 to keep 5 places for administrative use. Allow back order off stops normal availability when the remaining stock is exhausted. On permits availability beyond the stock count. Leave it off for this fixed capacity course. These values are not stored until Save Product is selected. Click Save Product, wait for the saving state, and confirm the Product Created notification. Search for the new product and verify the saved row. It is a draft course product in ModernCommerce Demo, visible, on sale from $79 to $49, with 95 places currently available. That is how to create and verify a basic course product in ModernCommerce. In the next tutorial, we will add advanced pricing. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and leave a comment. For additional help, contact us through the link in the description or bio.